The Delta-Mendota Canal brings water 117 miles from the Sacramento and San Joaquin Delta to the Mendota Pool that is west of Fresno. Using this water, our goal is to recharge groundwater while also restoring dwindling wetland habitat in the Central Valley. Our goal is that this wetland provides refuge for many species, such as the sandhill crane, which is known for its beautiful dance and which migrates from Alaska and Siberia to overwinter in the Central Valley.
So to give you a visual of wetlands in California, on the left side of your screen here is a map of the wetlands in California pre-1900. And on the right is wetlands currently in California. And as you can see, 90 to 95% of wetlands in California have been lost since the 1900s. And with this loss comes not only a loss in number of species, but a loss of diversity of plant and animal species. And this has a domino effect. This loss of diversity affects migratory species, such as the sandhill crane. Now, a study conducted by Hoppel and Kraft found that natural wetlands show just as much diversity as restored wetlands over a 10-year period. And this shows that wetland restoration is not only possible, but it can produce long-term success. So restoring those wetlands and restoring that diversity would be advantageous to the sandhill crane since they have such a diverse diet.
The Delta-Mendota Canal runs through Zone 7 of the Level 4 ecoregion of California. Zone 7 is the Central California Valley, which is characterized by being flat, farmed, and having very hot summers and mild winters. About half of it is agricultural land. Zone 7 used to contain prairies, oak savannas, riparian woodlands, freshwater marshes, and vernal pools. The southern part of the canal occupies Zone 7Q, Panoche and Cantua fans and basins. The streams are usually dry, and agriculture has replaced grass and shrubland. A large portion of the land surrounding the Delta-Mendota Canal in Zone 7Q is considered a potentially restorable wetland area. The northern part of the canal occupies Zone 7O, called West Side Alluvial Fans and Terraces. This zone contains vernal pools and ponds and still sports grasslands and shrublands, but agriculture is still dominant. There are small sections within Zone 7O that are potentially restorable wetland areas.
Using a mapping program called EnviroAtlas, we found data that showed areas of potentially restorable wetlands along the Delta-Mendota Canal. The light purple area due west of Los Baños has up to 35.5% potential restorable wetlands. A portion of this area overlaps with sandy soil, which is ideal for groundwater recharge. We also compared a case study of the Zurbano wetlands from Vitoria-Gasteiz of Basque Country in northern Spain, an area that was converted to modern agriculture in the 1950s, which resulted in reduced water input and increased fertilizer use, which rapidly degraded the aquifer. As a result, nitrate levels rose to 200 milligrams per liter by the 1990s, well above the safe level of 50 milligrams per liter. A portion of these former wetlands were declared a vulnerable zone in 1999, and since then the wetlands have recovered. As a consequence, nitrate concentrations exceeding 50 milligrams per liter entering the wetland area have levels less than 10 milligrams per liter when exiting to the Alegria River, an important source of groundwater recharge for the area.
In addition to recharging aquifers underground, a restored wetland provides a place for communities to recreate, explore, and enjoy the scenery, like capturing a photo of a beautiful sandhill crane.